Fellow mathematicians, welcome to session 3 of Unit 6 in the course Introduction to Abstract Algebra. Okay, so in session 2, you learned how to define a group and you also learned some elementary properties of groups. In this particular session 3, we are looking at finite and infinite groups and subgroups. I am Mukaila Dasmani, your course instructor. By the end of this session, let's be able to distinguish between finite and infinite groups. Give example of each finite and infinite groups. Define a subgroup. Should be able to define a subgroup. Should be able to state and prove the criteria for a subset. H of group G to be a subgroup, and also give at least one example of a subgroup. Good. Alright, so finite and infinite groups and subgroups. So we first look at finite group and infinite group. So a group may be finite or infinite depending on whether it consists of a definite number of elements or not. Once it consists of a definite element of a number, we say it's a finite. And if the number is indefinite, that is, it doesn't consist of a definite number of elements, we say it's infinite. Definition 3. If a group consists of a definite number of elements, then it is called a finite group. As I've already explained, a definite element, we say it's a finite group. Okay, and then definition 4. If a group consists of an infinite number of elements, then it is called an infinite group. A typical example is the set of integers forms an infinite group under addition. This is because Z is an infinite set under addition. So when I take Z, positive Z, what does it end? Negative Z, what does it end? You keep on going that end. So that is a finite. The set of integers forms a group under addition. Alright, so you can look at for more examples there are a lot of examples out there. So subgroups, and an empty subset H of a group G is a subgroup denoted as H is less than G. That's a subgroup of G if H is closed under the operation star and H is itself a group under the induced operation. So once this condition is satisfied, then we say that H is a subgroup of G, a subgroup of G, and it's written as that. Okay, so we can have a number of examples in your course material, which is simple and self-explanatory. So go through them and then find a lot. So mention some of the examples of the subgroup you know. Okay, so in this session we've seen what finite groups are, infinite groups are, and also subgroups are. You find more examples in your course material. The examples are elementary, self-explanatory. So go through with them.